Let me now go across to DD India's Arun Sharma for more on this across on the phone line. Arun, what more can you tell us in terms of how is a vigil being maintained that Mpox just does not get entry into India?
Well, Gautam, if you recall that during the COVID times, the first case was registered in China, or initial reports came in about the COVID pandemic in China. India started its high-level ministerial meeting to ensure that COVID outbreak does not spread, and various high-level meetings were chaired. Now we have seen that Mpox, when the World Health Organization has termed this Mpox as a disease of an international concern, India is completely geared up to fight this disease. But the good news is that from 2022 till March 2024, only 30 Mpox patients we have seen, and as of now there are no reported Mpox patients here in a country like India, developing country like India. Now, interestingly, we have seen that globally there are close to approximately 1 lakh cases, and we have witnessed more than 200 deaths globally. But now the good news is that this disease does not spread rapidly. But yes, today an important meeting was chaired by Dr. P.K. Mishra. Under his chairmanship, the meeting was chaired, and complete review was taken as far as the infrastructure, the health infrastructure that India has. We know this by the 32 labs as far as testing this Mpox is concerned. So India is completely geared up, and the airports are completely geared up, and the strict measures are to be taken by various institutions and authorities so that this does not spread. And close surveillance and strict surveillance has been instructed to various institutions and of course the airports to ensure that this disease, to keep a check on the arrival of the passengers, and of course the strict surveillance measure needs to be taken. So yes, an important meeting was chaired today, and we know this by the Prime Minister Modi is constantly monitoring the situation as far as Mpox is concerned.
Mpox has been found in Pakistan, so any concern there, any special measures to ensure that it doesn't somehow cross over?
So we know this fact, Gautam. As of now, this was briefed to Dr. P.K. Mishra as well, that this Mpox does not spread very rapidly. I mean, in COVID, we have seen it how the variant used to transmit immediately. But as far as Mpox is concerned, it has been briefed in the high-level meeting that the transmission intensity is very low, number one. Number two, if you are in very close contact with a person who is suffering or who is suffering from the Mpox, and of course, if you're in the close contact and various guidelines have been issued, in that context only we see that this transmission taking place.
Okay.
So the transmission capability of this Mpox is not very much high.
All right.
That's the good news. So yes, of course, we have seen that Pakistan has witnessed this Mpox case, but as of now, a strict surveillance has been taken by the Indian authorities as well.
All right. Thanks for joining us, Arun.